Welcome back to Think CSEC. We'll be doing the CSEC Principles of Business, mid-June 2015, Paper 1. But if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that you know when new videos are being uploaded. And please give this video a thumbs up by liking the video. So let's get right into this paper. The first question says, barter is best described as the, or answer D, exchange of goods and services without use of money. 2. Which of the following types of business environment is most typical of the Commonwealth Caribbean? We know it is B, mixed economy. 3 says, which of the following is not an objective of the private sector? A, maximizing profits. 4. The term division of labor can be defined as the, or answer C, separation of tasks to complete a job. 5. Which of the following is not a function of money? Or answer A, indivisibility. 6 says, the policies of a company are formulated by the B, directors. 7 says, selecting the objectives and the procedures for achieving goals is referred to as A, planning. 8 says, which of the following are benefits of written communication? 1, instant feedback. 2, provides evidence. 3, useful for detailed messages. Or answer C, 2 and 3 only. 9 says, which of the following organizations is least likely to use a management information system? Or answer B, a shoe shine shop. So our answer would be B. B. Let's go on to number 10. So here, item 10 refers to the following diagram, which shows a section of a typical vertical organization chart for a manufacturing company. So we have our board of directors, managing director, general manager, production manager, marketing manager, and chief accountant. 10 says, the relationship between the highest level of management down to the various department is known as, we know it is. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. I'd like to hear your response. And I'll respond to you and give you the correct answer in the comment section. Let's go on to 11. It says, the main purpose of installing a suggestion box in a company is to get workers' views about, or answer C, ways of improving the workplace. 12 says, JB Auto Company decided to export car engines from Barbados to Trinidad. Which of the following modes is best for transporting the engines? So we know that is B, C. Let's go on to number 13. Here it says, which of the following individuals benefit from having limited liability status? Or answer B, shareholders. 14 says, which of the following are functions of the entrepreneur? 1, ensuring that workers are unionized. 2, coordinating the factors of production. 3, undertaking risk by anticipating demand. We know our answer is C, 2 and 3 only. 15 says, the condensation of the business plan is contained in the D, executive summary. 16, cash used to secure a loan at the bank is referred to as A, collateral. 17, the monthly payments collected by an insurance company on behalf of its policy holders are known as, we know that is B, premiums. 18 says, which of the following types of checks allows an individual to receive cash on demand? A, open. 19. Kiki sustained burns while at work at a local fast food restaurant. On which of the following insurance policies is she likely to be compensated? We know that is A. Public liability. Let's go on to number 20. Which of the following factors prevents an agreement from being considered a valid contract? Or answer C. Misrepresentation. 21. The term human resources refers to D. Persons available for productive and professional services. 22. The movement of educated, skilled people to settle in other industrialized countries is referred to as B. Brain drain. 23. The amount of labor available for productive activity is known as B. Labor force. 1 to 24. Productivity can be measured by D. Outputs into inputs. 25. Which of the following is a product of the manufacturing industry? We know it is A. Car. 26 says, product price, promotion, and place are components of a B. Marketing mix. Let's go on to number 27. In the Caribbean, many people are hired for sugarcane farming and very little equipment is used. This industry can best be described as A. Labor intensive. 28 says, which of the following terms describes a market consisting of a large number of producers and consumers? C. Perfect market. 29 says, which of the following is an activity involved in marketing a product? Or answer B. Distributing commodities to outlets. 30. Market equilibrium exists when D. At current prices, the amount buyers wish to buy equals the amount sellers want to sell. 31. Which of the following is not a function of the retailer? Or answer D. Transporting goods to suitable storage facilities. 32. Which of the following gives identity to a specific producer's goods? We know that is C. Brand. 33. A market in economic terms is defined as D. A situation which exists when buyers and sellers influence the price of goods. 34. Which of the following operations is an example of sales promotion? Or answer B. Free sampling. 35. Which of the following entities can have its shares traded on the stock market? Or answer B. Public companies. 36. Tom invests his savings by buying shares in a company. From this investment, Tom expects to receive D. Dividends. 137. Mr. Jones has several bills of fixed amounts to pay each month. His bank manager agreed to pay them monthly from Mr. Jones' account. This service provided the bank refers to C. Standing orders. 38 says, which of the following services is provided by commercial banks? We know that is D. Accepting deposits from customers. 39. A debenture holder is one who D. Is entitled to a fixed rate of interest whether or not the company makes profits. 40. Investment can be defined as B. Additions to the capital stock of a country. Let's go on to 41. 41 says, which of the following are measures used to protect the environment? 1. Recycling. 2. Deforestation. 3. Water conservation. Our answer is B, 1 and 3 only. 42 says, a price control may be defined as a D, government limit on the price of goods and or services. 43. The success of government's economic policies can be most effectively measured by B, an increase in the standard of living. 44. Which of the following is a function of a chamber of commerce? We know that is C, assisting in securing markets for producers. Let's go on to 45. Which of the following actions by government is most likely to lead to an improvement in the standard of living? Or answer D, giving tax incentives to businesses. 46. Which of the following forms of taxation can be classified as direct? A, income tax. 47. The provision of social services by government does not include A, tax refunds. 48 says, in the recent budget, it was reported that Sanford Island is a net importer. This means that its B, exports are less than imports. 49 says, a country has a favorable balance of trade when A, it sells more than it buys. So A is our answer. 50 says, in calculating net national product, depreciation refers to the D, decrease in capital stock value. 51 says, the terms of trade of a country refers to the rate D at which one country's goods and services are exchanged for another. 52 says, the difference between the value of a country's visible and invisible exports and the value of its visible and invisible imports is referred to as the A, balance of trade. 53 says, which of the following method is not used to measure a country's national income? That is C, accounting. 54 says, which of the following is not a benefit of international trade? C, import restrictions can be imposed on foreign items. 55. Which of the following represents the correct stages towards the development of the CARICOM single market and economy? So, we know that is D, Federation, CARIFTA, then CARICOM, then the CSME. 56. Which of the following is a feature of economic dualism in the Caribbean? Or answer C, rural-urban migration. 57. Which of the following terms defines a continuous rise in the general level of prices? We know that's A, inflation. 58 says, which of the following countries are not members of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States? That is B, Barbados and Jamaica. 59 says, the purpose of CARICOM is to D, foster interregional trade and common services. And our final question says, which of the following organizations would settle a dispute among banana producing countries of the Caribbean and Central America over preferential agreement with the European Union? We know that's A, World Trade Organization, WTO. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you